Hi, I'm Camila and you're watching my channel One Color Food. Today I'm gonna cook yellow salad. I'm gonna use the following ingredients. Just take 100 grams of yellow cherry tomatoes, 1 diced yellow bell pepper, and I have here yellow cooked lentils. I recommend you to cook lentils for about 10 to 15 minutes, and before cooking I highly recommend you to soak it at least 20 to 30 minutes for better digestion. I don't recommend you to add any spices because it's all about the sauce. And for the dressing I'm gonna use the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix all ingredients thoroughly. And actually, yellow salad is ready. So let's try it. Look at the color, amazing yellow. It's so tasty. I highly recommend you to cook it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, leave your comments below and subscribe. And remember, cook with love and enjoy your meal. Bye!